Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of cluttered makeup stations and endless morning routines? Well, I've got the solution for you. The 3-in-1 dressing table makeup table from Generic is a game changer. This incredible product offers a large tabletop with ample storage space, perfect for displaying your cosmetics, perfumes, and nail polishes, keeping your desktop neat and tidy. With its 3 large drawers, you'll have plenty of room to store all your beauty essentials, and the rustic design gives it a premium feel. When it comes to assembly, don't worry, it's quick and easy, and the company provides professional customer service to help with any issues. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. The noise-canceling feature is a total winner, allowing you to focus on getting ready without any distractions. The texture of the wooden legs and table is smooth to the touch, and the sound of the drawers opening and closing is silky smooth. The extra storage space is a lifesaver, letting you keep all your makeup and skincare products organized and within reach. Plus, the quick assembly means you can get started right away, without spending hours trying to figure out complicated instructions. Whether you're a busy professional or a makeup enthusiast, this product is a must-have, and it's clear why it's so popular. It's the perfect combination of style, functionality, and convenience. So why settle for a cluttered and cramped makeup station when you can have a spacious and stylish one? The 3-in-1 dressing table makeup table is the perfect solution for anyone looking to elevate their beauty routine, and with its premium design and features, it's an investment that's sure to pay off. Give it a try and see the difference for yourself. Your morning routine will thank you. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.